the Science and Technology Directorate presents Month in a Minute, a quick roundup highlighting some of S&T's August activities. We partnered with industry, academia, and other government agencies for a counter-UAS test event at North Dakota's Camp Grafton South. Together, the team evaluated the effects of kinetic countermeasures to defeat malicious drones. In support of our component partners, we convened an X-ray technology showcase focused on explosive and contraband detection solutions. Several DHS agencies and law enforcement partners were given a unique, up-close look at some of the leading technologies that can support their critical missions. Mass rescues at sea are low-probability but high-consequence events. S&T partnered with U.S. Coast Guard and industry to produce a large-capacity, ultra-lightweight inflatable raft known as a mass rescue device. We conducted open-water testing this month in Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, including rapid deployment via Coast Guard helicopter and vessel. S&T led a third round of urban UAS testing in one of the most challenging operational environments, New York City. DHS Components and Public Safety evaluated several cybersecure and blue list cleared drones to see if they could accomplish critical first responder missions. See you again next month. Until then, check out more in-depth S&T news at scitech.dhs.gov and at DHS SciTech on social.